Alliance RV has once again raised the bar for luxury fifth-wheel design with the debut of the 2026 Avenue All-Access 25RL, a brand-new prototype that blends high-end comfort with unmatched towability. Described as the perfect union of luxury and towability, this compact fifth wheel proves that big things can indeed come in small packages. Despite being under 30 feet long, the 25RL delivers residential-style amenities, smart design, and a layout perfect for couples who want the luxury RV lifestyle without hauling a massive rig. At just 29.11 feet in length and riding on a twin-axle chassis, the 25RL shows how efficient design can maximize space without compromise. Built on a 101-inch wide-body construction, this fifth wheel uses two flush-floor, carpetless slide-outs to create an open and airy interior. Alliance RV's new minimalist monochrome graphics package, LED awning, Blu Tech water filtration, JBL audio system, solid surface countertops, and Starlink prep all come standard, reflecting the latest upgrades across the Avenue lineup. Step inside and the floor plan immediately delivers on its promise of rear living luxury. The entrance opens directly into the spacious kitchen, which flows into the freestanding dining area and living room. The kitchen itself is impressively equipped for a compact RV, a 3-burner cooktop, oven, residential Furrion microwave, full pantry with sensor lights, and a double-door fridge with freezer drawer. Add in the large island with extra storage and solid surface countertops, and you have a true chef's kitchen on wheels. One of the most surprising design choices is the absence of an entertainment wall in the rear living room. Instead, a 3-cushion trifold sofa, upgradable to a recliner, anchors the space, providing both lounging and extra sleeping options for guests. The entertainment wall shifts into the kitchen area where a 65-inch swivel TV hides additional storage behind it. Cleverly designed, this setup maintains sight lines from the sofa while freeing up the living room for comfort and socializing. The only omission here is an electric fireplace, but many buyers will see the open design as a plus. Up a short flight of stairs lies the front bedroom and bathroom. The bedroom features an Olympic queen bed with storage underneath and washer-dryer prep, making it functional for longer trips. The bathroom surprises with a large one-piece fiberglass shower, linen closet, and residential-style finishes, showing that Alliance RV didn't cut corners even in a compact footprint. The 25RL is built not only for comfort, but also for practicality. With a gross vehicle weight rating of 10,995 pounds and a dry weight of 8,945 pounds, it strikes a balance between towability and durability. Tank capacities include 48 gallons of fresh water and 53 gallons each for black and gray, ensuring capability for extended stays. Alliance RV emphasizes that every 2026 Avenue model has been upgraded based on direct customer feedback, meaning features like flush floor slide-outs, durable flooring, and improved storage were added with real-world use in mind. This user-focused design approach positions the 25RL as one of the most thoughtfully built RVs in its class. Currently in prototype form, the MSRP remains unannounced, but Alliance is already sending the unit to dealers and content creators, suggesting production will begin soon. Once it hits the market, the Avenue All-Access 25RL could become a benchmark for compact luxury fifth wheels, a true pocket rocket RV that delivers big on features without overwhelming buyers with size or complexity. For couples seeking a stylish, practical, and travel-friendly RV, the Alliance Avenue All-Access 25RL might just be the perfect RV they've been waiting for.